What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix distorted and clipped audio in Adobe Audition. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After recording your voice or importing an audio file, make sure to select everything using the shortcut Ctrl and A. Next, navigate to Window and select Diagnostics. This tab will appear on the left side of your interface. Make sure to select Diagnostics and under Effects, select Declipper, which will fix distorted audio. As your preset, you should use it according to your audio clip. For heavily distorted audio, use the Heavy Reduction preset. Next, after scanning your audio clip, you will see a list of timestamps indicating that the effect detected an issue with your audio. Click on Repair All to apply the effect. As you can see, this will make sure that your waveform no longer looks and sounds distorted. Lastly, make sure that your audio is selected using the shortcut Ctrl and A and navigate to Effect, Amplitude and Compression and select Normalize. On this window, make sure to normalize the audio to -3 dB and apply your changes. This will make sure that your audio is not too loud or too quiet. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.